Hello everybody, in this tutorial I just want to show you how to download the Eclipse, the software for creating Java applications. Okay, in your web browser just type in download Eclipse and press enter, and as you can see here, this is the first link that comes up, and you need to just click on this link, Eclipse downloads. You can even type in eclipse.org/downloads and press enter, and you will be guided to this page. And there are two ways to download the Eclipse for your specific platform. If you want to download the installer, you need to actually click on this link if you have got a Mac OS X. If you have got a Windows machine and your operating system is 32-bit, you just need to click on this link and download the installer. And this link is for 64-bit operating systems, and these options are for Linux machine, 32-bit operating systems and 64-bit operating systems. The installer is very easy. You can easily download the installer and open it and just download the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. But if you just want to download an Eclipse package, not the installer, you just need to download the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. This link is for Mac OS X, but if you have got a Windows machine or a Linux, be sure to download the Eclipse for your specific platform, and consider if you have got a 32-bit operating system or not, and download the Eclipse for your specific operating system. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.